Do you see the cats?
Yeah, there they are.
There we are. Okay.
They're just chilling.
Okay, now I'm going to pour this bacon grease into this container with this strainer. There we go, and it catches all that stuff. And you can see, there we go. There. And we'll just let that sit for a second, and then we can take the strainer off. Got a handful of bacon grease here with drippings, so I'm going to pour it in here and let this screen catch everything. There. And that's why the screen is so valuable. Okay, you can hit stop. Okay, so I've strained out all the burnt part, and I'm going to let this settle here in my bacon grease container. I'm going to put the lid on it. I'm going to put it where I'm going to have it, my favorite spot, right next to the stove. And you can see I like it because it fits the red and white core that I have for my kitchen. Before I cook bacon, I actually like to put a little bit of bacon grease in the pan. That way it helps, even with a non-stick pan, it helps the bacon not stick. So this can right here holds bacon drippings, and it comes with this filter to filter out any grains from the bacon drippings, and I can seal it like this. Then when I put the bacon in, I like to use chopsticks, and I'll put the bacon here in the grease and spread it around, because even though this is a non-stick pan, the bacon will still stick to it if I don't pre-grease it with bacon grease. And you can see how it's really easy to use the chopsticks to spread this around.